It's a sunny morning. Rohit and Sahil are hanging out after a long time. Sahil is high on energy. He starts warming up and asks Rohit to join too. Rohit is feeling exhausted and says, You do it bro, मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा. Sahil asks Rohit, What's wrong bro? He says, Off late, I have been feeling quite weak. Last week, I fell asleep on my desk and then I spilled coffee on my shirt. I just don't know what's wrong with me. Sahil takes along Rohit to the vitamin D calculator. He takes Rohit's blood sample, slips it inside the calculator. The report shows that Rohit's vitamin D level is low. Sahil tells Rohit, Come on yaar, let me show you something. They both move towards an activity area called the Activation Center, where we see vitamin Ds standing in a queue. Here goes vitamin D inside the liver. Wow, what just happened here? He seems to be all charged up, and now he enters the kidneys. He's almost acting like a super kid now in his new fancy suit.
Kidney is a house for synthesis of some hormones which are very important. We all know about vitamin D. It is called the sunshine hormone. It keeps our bones healthy, it keeps our skin healthy, it keeps our immunity up. So again, vitamin D, when it is taken in the native form or it's produced in the skin on exposure to sunlight, is an inactive or a very weakly active vitamin. So this vitamin then goes to liver where a hydroxylation occurs, it becomes a bit more active, but the final activation of vitamin D occurs in the kidney where dihydroxylation occurs, which really makes it active. So when the kidney becomes weak, your vitamin D is not synthesized or it's not activated and you start developing all sorts of bone health related issues over there. So this is another function which the kidneys does. So this is one of the hormonal function.
धूप में बैठने से या डाइट से विटामिन डी मिल सकती है, but it does not get biologically active. The process of vitamin D activation is called hydroxylation, wherein it gets activated by two protein enzymes. The first happens in the liver to form calcifidiol, and the final activation, that is dihydroxylation, happens in the kidneys to form calcitriol. Which basically means that जब तक एक्टिवेशन नहीं होता तब तक विटामिन डी अपने फॉर्म में नहीं आता, और यहाँ किडनीज का काफी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल है. विटामिन डी सर्कुलेट्स एज अ हार्मोन इन आवर ब्लड, having a major role in concentration of calcium and phosphate, leading to healthy growth and remodeling of our bones. So, अगर आपकी किडनीज वीक हैं, तो वो विटामिन डी को एक्टिव नहीं कर सकती, जिसकी वजह से आपको बोन रिलेटेड इश्यूज हो सकते हैं. Not just that, it might lead to even other complications such as vascular, cardiac, brain related and even gangrene. So friends, हमेशा याद रखिए, विटामिन डी लेना तो जरूरी है ही, लेकिन साथ ही आपकी किडनी का रोल भी उतना ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. In our next episode, we will talk about the impact of mineral bone disorder and a very important factor called extraskeletal calcification. So, stay tuned until then.